Alright, abasinga obweddamu ntaginga mu videos ezinjawulo nga mugezako kungamba nti nongezeko okukola video ng'ey'olunaku lw'ejjo nga nkomparinga ebiki ebyabaddewo ku rally ya His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni wamu ne rally ya His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi. Olunaku olwaleero nga bwe nabagambye nti His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi olunaku lw'ejjo imagine teyabadde olunaku lwe naye yasobodde okubeera nga awangula ate olunaku olwaleero osuubira ki era ye yakoze ki yasobodde okubeera nga awangula okusinziira ku information wamu ne data analysis BBC zesobodde okubeera nga efuluma ekiraga nti His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi just mu streaming zino TV biki abadde alabibwa abantu abawulirizibwa kubanga radios ng'ozigaseeko abadde awulirizibwa abantu abasukka mu miliyoni 18. Remember Uganda erina abantu miliyoni 45 ate wetuba tukomparinga nebya His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni olunaku lw'ejjo abadde awulirizibwa abantu miliyoni 10. Kitegeeza Bobi Wine yamusinzeeko miliyoni 8 naye nga tetunagenda mu birala video eno badde nsaba soko jimpereka like ebirenge sotamu tukera wona abanjigedde kumanya kweno information naddala abaana abali ku side y'enkyuka kikwamu n'abo abatono abali ku side eri gisigenda kubeera nga nkola ki anjogerako olunaku olwaleero nga bwe nkugambye His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi asobodde okubeera nga akunganya abantu babadde bangi nnyo ku social media just abadde alabibwa abantu abasukira ddala mu miliyoni 1 baze videos ne likes zisobodde kubeera nga efuna Bobi Wine abadde mu 1+ million ate wano ku ground kugambye ali mu miliyoni 15-18. Kitegeeza His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni bamusingiridde ddala wala ku scales tuba tukoze ki we tuba tuzibaze ate ekirala His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi yakoze olunaku olwaleero kyabadde batebalabangako East African countries ezisinga olunaku olwaleero zonna zibadde zimutunuulidde nga olaba Botswana nga olaba Tanzania, Kenya abamu babadde bava ne Botswana okusinziira ku live analysis gyenfunye okuva mu BBC website. Abakungu nabo badde balaba okuva ku DRC kugambye ebadde very massive nomination era ne kukubondoza amasobodde okubeera nga mulaba tino His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni emotoka ziyaze nazo ne His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi yatandise ne moto emu naye we yatuuse natete yabadde n'emmotoka ezisukka mu 3. That means that the man is really loved. Sina bingi nnyo byakwogera kwatana subscribinga ate naffe tulina kozi yaffe waliwo kamera zitwagala kubeera nga tugula so that tutambule ne His Excellency Robert Kyagulanyi buli wamu bwoba buli wanaabagenzi nga namba yaffe eri awo esembiyayo 37 so tukubira kubona inbox ne WhatsApp n'ogamba nziika ku kamera ntaddeko omutwalo ku kamera ntaddeko 15 zonna tukola ki tuzaaniriza kale sikola bibiki ebyabadde olunaku olwaleero musamale tumayitoyogere.
The people is the president. The people is the president. The people is the president. Nikugambye abasajja banomye network ne banyijjako naye wetuli abasajja batandise tuteeka mu mujama naye wetuli kugambye abasajja jamu bamukutemu network bamukutemu naye wetuli
we have stood together through the tear gas, through the bullets, through the beatings, through the abductions, through the courts, through the prison walls, and through the funerals. You have been my shield. You have been my eyes. You have been my courage. You have been my strength. You have been my friends, my true friends. Today, as we go into what is likely to be an even more violent campaign, I will be relying on you, my friends. We are embarking on a long walk to freedom. Whatever lies ahead of us is going to test everything that we are and everything that we stand for. But I guarantee you, brothers and sisters, freedom will come at the end of the day. Because after all, freedom never comes easy. Our grandparents shed blood for the independence of this country 62 years ago. Our parents shed blood for what they believed was a liberation 40 years ago. Our comrades in this very generation are in prison for this very struggle. They've shed blood for this struggle. Many of them are missing and they don't even have graves for this struggle. Let us carry them in our hearts. Let us carry them in our minds. Let us do this in their name. Brothers and sisters, the same courage and discipline that has kept us going since 2017 should be the same courage and discipline to carry us through this campaign. Your duty in this campaign, I must remind you, will not be to protect me. Yes, your duty in this campaign is not to protect me. It is to protect yourselves. It is to protect each other. It is to protect those ordinary people that come to support us on our rallies. I request you to be vigilant in every village that we shall enter and on every rally that we go to. Please be very solid and be very sober. Please be very calm and be very disciplined. Hope for the best, but prepare for the worst. Be careful, but don't show fear, because this regime wants us to be fearful. My brothers and sisters, I want you to understand what we are fighting for. We are fighting for a better Uganda. We are fighting for the farmers, for the border riders, for the young graduates who have no jobs. We are fighting for the ghetto people, those ghetto youth whose future is being stolen away in exchange for a few shillings. We are fighting for the ordinary children whose future is empty and we want to give meaning to. We are fighting for those police officers who are ordered to brutalize you because you are fighting for their children's future, and afterwards they have to return to their uniport, to an empty house, to children with no school fees, and to a family with no health insurance. Please don't look at them as your enemies, because they are not your enemies. They are victims too. They also wish that things can change someday. Brothers and sisters, if we succeed, this country will be free and things will change forever. It will never be the same again. Unfortunately, we'll ever believe that we did our best. That will mean that we are condemning our children, those that are born and those that are unborn, to slavery. And that is not what we should be doing. Therefore, brothers and sisters, failure is not an option. We must get our freedom, or at least die trying to get our freedom. I don't know how much danger is awaiting us on this campaign trail, but I know that we are going to keep moving with hope and faith. We are carrying the hope of our entire generation, a hope of millions and millions of Ugandans. Brothers and sisters, I want you to war that we never chose, a war that we are not even trained for, but a war that has been imposed on us by our oppressors. We are facing an enemy that is armed to the teeth, and we are facing the enemy bare-handed, only armed with the truth and God. We are fighting this because it is a duty that we must take on. We are fighting for our God-given right to live as human beings in our own country. We will never retire. We will never give up. We will fight until we are free, and I'm sure we shall be free in the end. This is not a matter of when